Hey all, this is Dan with Sleep Ride. I am outside of SideQuest. We're here in Portland, Oregon. We've got some really exciting things going on inside of this building. I'm gonna take you inside. We're gonna check out what's going on. Without any further ado, let's check it out.
Behind me, we are cutting out the first round of the Sleep Ride platforms for the 2018 Crosstrek to 2022 models. These are going to go live on the website here in a couple of days, and we are getting production ramped up. Once we get you back to the actual shop for Sleep Ride, I'll show you some of the other cool things that we got going on in there. But right now, this is super exciting because, as I said, SideQuest hooking it up. We're getting the platforms ready to go. So something I quickly wanted to mention is the reason that we went with the CNC of this aspect instead of just doing hand cuts is because I wanted everything to be precise. I wanted to make sure that our angles look right, our edges look right. I want this to be a professional looking thing, and I want it to be something that you're proud of to show your friends. So we are bringing in the CNC machining for that aspect of it, taking the human aspect out of it, and putting it all on the machine. Getting all of our designs cut out. We're about to see the actual platforms get cut into their shapes. So I'm super excited about that.
All right, so that was really fun, wasn't it? It was pretty cool to see the process of how the Sleep Ride platforms are cut together, precision machinery, cutting them directly to the specs that we have been working on for years, it feels like, to perfect, and now we've got them in our cart. I'm gonna flip this around so you can see. So here they all are, Sleep Ride platforms. We've got the double sides, all of our nice little cutouts in there, our magnet inlays. We've got our headrest brackets. We can see the single side up there because it's a little bit longer. Oh man, this is gonna be really fun to go home and start putting together.